volume of our 3D shapes, where we left off from last time. This is from section 12.5. We're going to be doing volumes of prisms and pyramids today. So, volume is the measure of the space of a 3D object. How much we can fill it with is what volume means. To do that, any prism, so first you have to see if it's a prism, you're going to do the volume of the base, area of the base, times the height. The volume equals the area of the base times the height. So if the base is a rectangle, you find the area of the rectangle times the height. If it's a triangle, area of the triangle times the height. That's for a prism. This will work for any prism. For a pyramid, you're going to do the same thing, which is the area of the base times the height, but you're going to do times a third because it's coming up to that point. It only has that one base. So it only has a third of the volume of a prism. So these two general formulas, if you can remember those, that will work for any prism and any pyramid. So we're going to do 4 problems. You're going to need a calculator. You're going to need to draw the shape and then follow along with me. Finding the volume of a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism means that its bases are rectangles. So I'm going to actually shade in for you the base of my rectangle. Okay, so volume equals, the base of my rectangle is 5 times 6. And then the height of my rectangular prism is 10, so times 10. So volume equals 5 times 6 is 30, times 10 is 300 inches. And we do cubed because it's a volume, you're doing a length times a width times a height. So that's why it's a cubic unit. And that's it. Okay, let's try another one. Finding the volume of a triangular prism. That means that your bases are triangles. So first you got to find the triangles. Now, it's a little hard because this one is not sitting on the triangles. The triangles are in the front and the back. So this is your base, because that's the one that's parallel to it. So that volume, your base is a triangle. Formula for a triangle is a half times the base of the triangle, that would be this 7.2, times the height of your triangle, which is what this 9 is trying to point to. That would be the area of our base, our triangle. The height is the distance between the two bases. Our height is 3. So times 3. So we're going to do 0.5 times 7.2 times 9 times 3. Volume equals 97.2 meters cubed. The only reason why I put parentheses here is just to say that is the area of my base. Technically you don't need them, but that's what that means. So that was our triangular prism. Now we're going to do 2 pyramids. We're doing a rectangular pyramid. Pyramid means you're going to have the 1/3 in there. Rectangular means your base is a rectangle. So here's my base, here's my rectangle. The area of a rectangle, length times width, 8 times 6, times the height of my shape. Well, this is the rectangle. The height from the base to the point would be this 9 yards, times 9. Volume equals 1/3, 1 ABC 3, times 8 times 6 times 9. I get 144 yards cubed. My last one, triangular pyramid. So when I know that it's a pyramid, that it's coming to a point, volume equals 1/3. Area of the base, it's a triangle. Here's my triangle. Okay, you have to be careful. This they're trying to tell you is the base. This they're trying to tell you is the height, or vice versa, it doesn't matter. So a half for a triangle, base times height. That's the area of the triangle, our base. Half times base times height. And then the height of the entire shape is this line that's going up to this point right here, which is delineated by the amount of 6.4. So I do 1/3 times a half times 4 times 12 times 6.4. My volume of this would be a 51.2 kilometers cubed. That's it for today. We'll do more in class. Have a good night.